Hi, this is a quick introduction to the Native API Programming Contest template. This is a template put together in GitHub so that you can get started more quickly with programming against the native API and to put together a Docker container that shows off your application. You don't have to use this, but it's a great way to get started. If you follow the instructions that we have on Open Exchange, you will clone the GitHub repo and then run Docker Compose to get it up and running. So let's explore what's in the GitHub repository. I have that cloned and I have that up and running here in my Visual Studio Code. You'll see in the source directory, you'll see subdirectories for each of the supported languages. So for example, in .NET, you'll see program.cs, and this is the C# example program. It doesn't do very much. It just connects to the server. It sets and gets a couple of globals, and that's it. Same with what's the examples in all of the other programming languages. So let's say we wanted to change this program. We'll have it connect to the server, and it sets a global called life, the universe, and everything. And the answer to that is not 6. It is, of course, 42. So we will make that change, save the file, and run Docker Compose again. The Docker file that is contained in this template is a little bit large because it has the development environments for all 4 of those languages. So it does take a little while to get up and running the first time, but then once everything's in your cache, it goes relatively quickly to build your container and get it started on your local machine. So that is completed. So if we do a docker ps, we'll see it's up and running. Great. And docker exec -it, the container ID, bash, to start a shell in that container. Now that we have a shell that's running inside the container, we can look at what's there. It's just that a number of things from the template directory. So if we went to source.net and we did /run.sh, we will build and run the application. There's a run.sh in all of these directories. And you'll see that our application is now up and running, and it says the value of life, the universe, and everything is 42. Have fun with this programming contest. Have a great time. If you have questions, you have problems, please do reach out. Have a great time and great day. Take care.